In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate DHL shipping cost. Now to do this, there's actually two ways. The first one is going to be to go to their official website. Depending on your country, it may look a bit different. And then from here, you want to find this button, which is called Get a Quote. So you want to click on that. And then from here, it's going to allow you to get a quote. Now here, you want to go and select what you are shipping. I'm going to do a parcels or documents, but you can also do cargo or business mail. So I'm just going to click on here, and it's going to ask you what service level you require. I'm just going to do a standard over here, and then you want to select if you are a business or a private customer. In my case, I'm going to go private, and then over here it's going to allow you to basically get a quote, okay, for a single shipment. So I'm going to click on get a quote, and as you can see, this is going to take you to a separate page where you want to select your destination, and you can of course type in the collection and delivery postcode, which are optional, and the weight as well. So I'm going to do 2 kilos, for example, and I'm going to click on get a quote, and as you can see, there we go. It's going to allow you to see kind of your pricing. Okay, so these are the shipping costs. It's going to allow you to see a bunch of different ones. You can select the one you need and just click on the buy now button, and you can go and proceed with your shipping. Okay, now that's the first way to do this. Now of course you could also go to their calculator, which can be accessed if you go to Google and type in DHL shipment calculator. So it's going to take you to DHL where it says calculate shipping costs with DHL's shipping calculator. Just click on that, and that's also going to be a tool which you can use. From here, as you can see, this is the calculator. I'm going to click on private person because I'm a private person, and you have to, of course, type in the first your zip code and city and the country as well. So I'm going to pretend for this instance, I'm actually sending from the USA. I'm going to type in a zip code. There we go. It's going to be Beverly Hills like this. There we go. That's cool. Then you have to go to country and region, and I'm going to actually send to something like New York over here, and I'm just going to go and type in, for example, zip code of New York, click on it, and there we go. That's of course the first thing you have to do. Then you want to click on describe your shipment, and down here you want to describe everything. You want to describe your weight, you want to describe your length in inches, your width, and your height as well. Okay, so here you can see kind of your basic dimensions. I'm actually going to go and put this at 30, 18, and then 18 as well. Okay, now here you can go ahead and select if shipment contains exclusively documents or not. It's completely up to you if of course your case is that or not, and then click on get a quote. From here, when you do this, it's going to start loading, and there we go. You're going to get a quote, and you can go ahead and schedule pickups or do whatever you want from here. Okay, so that's essentially how to use this shipping calculator and how to calculate DHL shipping cost on the website. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.